How to make faux stained glass window with vinyl using Cricut. Step 1. First, search and download a stained glass design. Step 2. Upload and load the stained glass design into the Cricut design space canvas. Step 3. When you're ready, click Make It and click Continue. Step 4. Select premium vinyl as the base material and set the pressure to more. Step 5. Place the vinyl on the mat, load the mat into the machine and press the flashing button to start cutting. Step 6. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, peel off the vinyl from the mat and start weeding the design. Step 7. Once you're done weeding, grab transfer tape, peel off the backing sheet and apply it to the vinyl. Step 8. After applying, burnish it well with a scraper tool to ensure that there are no bubbles and that the vinyl decal transfers well. Step 9. Grab the glass, clean it with rubbing alcohol thoroughly on both sides and let it dry. Step 10. Once the glass has completely dried, remove the backing sheet from one edge of the transfer tape and line it up on the glass. Step 11. Use your palm to tape the transfer tape and decal carefully. Step 12. Then carefully peel back the backing sheet while applying the transfer tape and decal to the glass. Step 13. Burnish it down using a scraper tool and ensure that there are no bubbles and the decal adheres well onto the surface. Step 14. Once the vinyl and transfer tape adhere well onto the glass, trim off the excess material from the edges. Step 15. Carefully and gently peel off the transfer tape. Step 16. Now, put the glass over a white piece of paper and paint it using Sharpies or any permanent markers. Step 17. If you mess up or want to change the color, dab a paper towel on rubbing alcohol and clean the area. Step 18. Once done, place the second piece of glass over the colored piece to sandwich the vinyl and the colored side in between. Step 19. Now, you can frame it and place it near the window. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.